Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. This time around I bring to you a refreshing Falooda recipe, which by the way I've made from this Zaiqa ready-made Falooda mix. So if you're on board, then keep watching. So as per the instructions given, I'm required to put 1 liter of milk, to which I have to add a glass of water. Once the milk has come to a boil, it's time for the Falooda mix. Okay guys, it's important to note that this video is not a promotional one at all. Now Ramadan is anyway a month of giving and sharing, so since I can't share this with you personally anyway, it brings me equal joy to be able to share this with you virtually. This pack has all the goodness in it. It has vermicelli, basil seeds, lots of chopped almonds and pistachios. I really don't have to worry about adding anything to this mix. I think Zaiqa is easily available in Saudi Arabia, Pakistan and many other countries. But if you're in India and you didn't find it, then you can also use the one by Weikfield that also has a similar taste. So what should be remaining in this vessel is only the 2/3 of this whole quantity. So I'm going to reduce it and let it cook and simmer, and I'm going to occasionally stir in between. And I think this is pretty much done. I also went ahead and made the jelly. I chose strawberry jelly or strawberry flavor and let it set for about 3 to 4 hours. I think you should definitely try this recipe out because the elders are gonna love it for Iftar and the children are gonna love it anyway. You know, have it super chilled and have it with a dollop of vanilla ice cream and some chopped pistachios. I didn't add them because I ran out of the ice cream, and my children wouldn't have it if I add any more pistachios on top. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it or enjoyed any part of it, then please do feel free to go and hit the like button. And also, if this is your first time being here, then why don't you consider subscribing to my channel? So yeah, some more jelly and this delicious goodness is ready to savor. I can't tell you how refreshing it was to have for Iftar. Seriously, you must try it to know it for yourself. Well, that's it guys. Take all the necessary precautions, maintain social distancing, and until I see you next time, I hope you stay safe. Bye!